Hello all, I am Professor M.B.Nigade from AISSMS IoT Pune from the Department of Engineering Science. Our today's topic is wind power plants. In the windmill power plants, the wind power is actually an indirect evidence of solar energy. Therefore, unequal heating of this atmosphere by the sun produce an air current is called as a planetary winds. Local winds are produced due to the differential heating of land and water in the coastal area. Also, the local winds are produced due to the heating and cooling of the hills and mountainside. Therefore, the kinetic energy of the wind is range of 8 to 40 km per hour speed can be utilized to produce the shaft power by directing over the wind turbine, which is a turn can be used as a drive to electrical generator. The wind speed are available along the sea coast at the high altitude and hilly terrain. In India, the high wind speed are available in coastal area of southern, western regions, Rajasthan, and some part of central India. Generally, the two type of windmill is there. This type of windmill is nothing but the horizontal axis type of wind turbines or windmill also. It consists of different parts. If you see that this is a wind turbines, this is shaft is on the connected, this is a electrical generator, and from this end we can produce the electrical energy. And this large structure also means this pole is now the made up of the large structure. In this windmill power plants, if you see that the main components of the windmill is nothing but the rotor and gearbox. This is the first part is called as a blades. Next, second part is called as a rotors. Then this third part is called as a pitch. Then this fourth is now the brake is now the required for stopping the windmills. Then low speed shaft. This fifth is nothing but the low speed shaft. Then six is nothing but the gearbox is there. Seventh is now the generators. Eight is now the controllers. Then nine is nothing but the anometers. Then tenth is nothing but the wind vane. 11 is knuckles. Is this? And next is 12 is high speed shaft. That is 12 is a high speed shaft. 13 is your drive, then this is your drive, the 14 is your motor, and 15 is now the tower or pole is also called as a four. Main basic component is a rotor, gearbox, and electrical generator. Rotor has a 2 to 3 propeller type of blades, therefore 2 to 25 meters in diameter. The modern rotors has a 100 meter in diameter and rotor blades are assembled on hub. Therefore, electromagnetic brakes is now the required to stop the this windmill are provided for automatic application of brake if the wind speed is exceed the design speed. Next is gear ratio is provided to increase the speed of the shaft in the ratio of 1 as to 100. Therefore, wind turbine can be run this electrical generator. Therefore, hub, brakes, gearbox, generators with electrical controls are housed of box is called as a nacelles. This. Then another type is a vertical also means sometime vertical axis that is called as a Decius type wind turbines. It consists of hollow vertical shaft mounted between the top and bottom bearing. Lower bearing is supported on the foundation and upper platform is supported by the six guys ropes. Therefore, these thin and curved blades are attached to the rotor shaft at the top and bottom of the shaft. These blades form the symmetrical configuration about the vertical axis. Therefore, the turbine shaft is coupled to the generator having with the disc brake and electrical control. Therefore, the gearbox and flexible coupling and both the turbines and generator operate with very variable speed, such as windmills run at the very large speed ratio. Therefore, mechanical energy developed by the turbine rotor is converted into the electrical energy by the generator. Main advantage of wind power plant is available in free and inextensibles. It does not cause any air pollutions and also the low maintenance cost as compared to the other power plant. There is no any air pollution is there as compared to the nuclear power plant. Maintenance cost is very low as compared to nuclear power plant and hydroelectrical power plant. But the main disadvantage is the capital cost is very high because the FIR means those blades cost is very high, and then the installation cost is also very high. That is why the capital cost is very high as compared to the other power plant. Then wind energy is diluted and fluctuating in nature, both in magnitude and direction, because today we are see that many our nature is now the diluted and fluctuating. That is why the wind is energy is not available easily, or yeah, available but with a diluted and fluctuating. Then next disadvantage is cause of sound pollution. Is a huge sound pollution is there. Means large unit can be heard up to the few kilometers sound. Therefore, it is one of the disadvantage of windmill power plant. Thank you very much for listening my video. Thank you.